we're gonna play a song called Coming Back. It was a single from this album, and it's all about the moment when you feel like you're back and you didn't even know you were missing, and you start to feel like yourself again, and you didn't realise that you were absent from yourself at any point, but something happens in your day, or you react to something, and it's a familiar feeling, and you're like, oh, it's nice to be back.
You just watch Rob Green.
There I am. Shall I go do it all? We'll do it all. Sure? Yeah. Okay.
Today I saw the